come out here. It is so beautiful.
Oh my God, it is beautiful. This is amazing. Just had to get away from the water. It's beautiful here. Well, you should take a nap if you're tired. Work was pretty good, but I'm glad to be off work today. This is a day off for me, just hanging at the beach. It's nice. It's really nice.
Huh?
I said it's nice here. I got some sand in my shoes. Oh, that's where I am. Yeah, right off Ocean and Pico. Yeah, just got here.
Where have you been going, Mom?
What's that?
Hi, Mom.
Hi.
Oh, Kira says hi too.
Hi, Kira.
Oh, there's this guy. There's this friend that he's just like copying everything I say right now.
He is? Well, that's weird.
What the heck? Stop it.
Oh my God! Are you kidding? You know this guy?
Your mom knows who I am?
She's on the phone right now and she knows who you are.
How's baby doing?
Baby is so beautiful. That is one beautiful baby. I gotta tell you. Just gorgeous. No, I'm sorry, I'm on the phone. Sorry. Oh, wow. Why doesn't your boyfriend do anything about it? No, you don't see the beach in Fresno, that's for sure. I've always thought that. This guy's doing what?
He's repeating what I'm saying on the phone.
He's repeating what you're saying? That's weird. That's just weird. Who would do a thing like that?
Let me talk to Nicholas.
Okay. Nicholas! Nicholas!
You're answering my
Huh?
question.
No, my brother Nicholas is. Nicholas! Come talk. Hang on, what's your name?
Raina.
Come talk to Raina!
All right, I'll talk to you guys later.
Okay, talk to you later. All right, you have fun too. Bye-bye. Can I talk to your mom for a second?
Yeah, hold on, Mom. Hold on. He wants to talk to you real quick.
Yeah. Hi, Mom. So you've seen the cell phone crashing videos?
Yeah, I've seen some of those videos and I think they're hilarious.
Oh my God.
Nice.
I wish I was there to shake your hand.
Oh, well-
This is so cool.
Only in Southern California, huh?
How you doing, man?
Good,
We
how
did
you
a little YouTube video called Cell Phone Crashing.
Okay.
All right, I'll let you get back to your phone call. Tell him I said hi.
Yeah,
Hi.
7.
7. Oh, good. That's my demographic. Right over there. You see the camera? Well, thank you for being a good sport. Wave hi to YouTube land. Thanks, guys.
So cool.
High
Wow.
five. Hey guys, thanks for watching this from wherever you may be. In fact, leave me a comment. Let me know where you are in the world. Thanks for subscribing, liking, commenting, all that fun stuff. I will be back with more cell phone crashing soon. Click these links to see some more stuff. We'll see you guys later.